Right, let's get started with this German U-boat, the Mark 23 coastal submarine in 1/35 scale by Bronco. As you know, it's about a metre long, say basically 3 feet. So what we're going to do is we have a look at what we're going to do. We're going to start. I was going to start with the main submarine parts, but I thought to myself, why not just get the torpedoes out of the way, because that is on the first page. So if I turn over now, excuse my eye, it's a bit there. And here we go, and if I turn this over like this is the page we'll be on. Illustration, there we go. And if I do this, I think you can see it quite comfortably. You can, yeah. So basically we're going to start cutting off the bits of the actual submarine. I'm going to do this bit, and I'm going to start with one bit, and then do it on my own and show you at the end what's going on. So here you go. So let's have a look, see what we want. These are the parts. As you can see, they're still on screws. There's a few bits broken off, as you can see. Just going to make sure we don't lose any. And is there anything? Ah, there's the other. That is one. There is another one. I better dropped it in the other room. And I think I might have done, so I might have to go and get that, because it seems to have. Oh no, I haven't. No. Oh, no, it's still. That's okay. Ah, there it is. I thought. There you go. So I've got my second one. There you go. So we've sorted that. We've got the two bits there, and that's bits. This bit here is this one, parts BA2, and you need two of them anyway for the sub. There we go. So I'm going to put that up there out of the way for the moment. Right, here we go. This one's come off already. So I don't know where it's on this one. So that was part. Some B sprue, and it's part 3. It looks like. You can't see it because I couldn't see very well. I'm going to have to put some markings on. That's part 3. So that's part 3. I think it's one of these bits for every submarine, every torpedo. So there you go. So and then we've got part. Not very well pronounced. I'm going to have to get my goggles out. Sorry about this. Have a look at this. There you go. That's much better. Part 13 and part 3. So there you go. And if that's part 13 and part 3, that's it. I've got to get those out. So where's me little snips? There we go. Do this. And we go into it now. That bit's on there. I hope that one ain't damaged. Oh, that one's already off. Shows you when it comes in the box, it's all vibrating around. There you go. Good news is I'm bidding on a Dalek. I've already done the Mark 1. There's a Mark 3 movie version available from Comic Miniatures, and it's on, and I'm actually having a bid on that. I hope I win it, because I'd like to do the movie version. But there you go. So that's that bit done. So we've got those two bits ready. So we've got to find bits. I'm not worried about these bits because they can go in afterwards. So I want part BA12, which is pretty obvious where it is, because there it is, BR12 there. So I'm going to go snip off a little bit further away, snip off a bit further away. There you go, and that's that bit. And that's it. So what I can do is basically get all the bits off both screws actually. So let's do the same on this one. That way, they're both, all that's always gone. There you go. This one's number 3. There you go, that's that one, and get the other one off. Going at an angle so I don't take any of the plastic away from the torpedo, and doing the same up here. Oh, it's just dropped off. Good. Oh, that's okay. It's quite a clean boat, so I'll be able to polish that one up. So that's it. So we got those bits on there, and that's for the propeller. Oh, it's the one with PE on the front, and then there we've got that one on the back. So really I can actually put these bits together. Yep, I can put these bits together. So what I'm going to do now is I'll just show you what I'm doing one. Now I've got to get this off, and I've got to get my knife out. I'm just going to shave it. Sorry, might be able to come a bit more. Yeah, I'm just looking at the camera because I don't want to make sure I'm in the focus. So I'm just doing this bit like that. coming down here and doing the same. And on the other side where it was actually broken off on the sprue, but luckily it hadn't done no damage. So that's that one. Then we got that one and that one. Then this one's got pins, so this one's got a pin, so I've got to get one without a pin. And there it is, without a pin. So they're both the same numbers. Just do another thing of clean off there. I've never done this on like this on when I'm building the model before. And that's it, so I'll get my extra fin, which I do like. And now give it a test fit. That's going to go perfectly together. I'm just going to brush those. Going to get the old soft one off and give it a brush on there to start it off, and then do the same on this one. Whoops! Oh, so it's this side. I might do that one. Follow the contour. That's what you got to do. Follow the contour. Sorry, I might have to get my camera coming over a little bit this way. So it can be more where I'm working rather than, there you go, I can just have this as a place now and just do this, and the same with that one, and then basically do the same with this one. Go to this side first. It is a fine one, it's not it's a florist stand, as you see, and it is I've got quite a few of these, so hopefully I won't never run out before I meet my maker, as it were. And back in again, here doing it. There you go. And same down this end. Good, that's that bit done. Right. Test fit it, and it seems to be pretty good, and it is. Now, good test for one of these on it, and as you can see, it's going to be a good fit as well. But I'm going to spray this that's separate to this one. I may do a bit of spraying with on camera as well, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do now is get some glue on this. In fact, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get this one out. I've used it recently for the Dalek, so I should be alright to come out a little bit. So I'm going to hit the pegs. Yeah, a little bit there, a little bit there, and I might run it longer because this glue is good because it does a job, and afterwards you can actually. I'm not putting much on there, as you might be able to see, all the way down and all the way along here. Not all the way, I'm not too worried about because we're doing that. Bit on the peg again. I'm only doing it on one side though, on this. Being very sparing with this glue. A little bit there. That's it. Right, here we go, and we put this one together now. Let's see how it goes. Right, and there we go, and that one as well. Same as the other side. This glue does bite quite quickly. It might be better for me to come from above with this camera angle, but there you go. So if I do that, because I hadn't thought of anything, I didn't get any clamps out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the old fashioned way. Oops, that was good, wasn't it? Torpedo nearly went off. Yeah. There's one in there. One in the middle. Like so. Push it down like that. Do the same for the other side. And another couple bits, I think. Where is it? Little watchmaker's visor on there. I thought it's quite handy because it holds it upright, so it's quite good. Don't need all this, so get that bit there. This one over here. And you can see that's not got much there, so if I've got a bit of this, whoops. Just a little bit in there. It will drag it in. And put that in there. And roll that round. Do the same with this end. In fact, I'll come in from the inside here. And that side. And get that right in across there. And put a little bit of tape over that. I'll get some clamps out later. I've got clamps, but this isn't too bad doing it this way. And oops, there we are. And a little bit of glue needed there as well, just down the back. Right, that's one done over that bit, and I'm going to clean this one off here to finish this bit off. I'm going to do little bits as I can on this. So you've got a bit. Oh, there it is. So just this round, roll in it, give it the shape of the torpedo. Same that side. And then basically now I'm going to go all the way around. There's a plastic seam there. Whether it's meant to be there or not, I don't think so. Could rescribe it later if I want to. But I don't think it's meant to be there, so we're okay. We just keep doing this. Right, here we go. In with the old soft one now. Sorry, I keep going off camera. Keep forgetting my little place. In fact, if I zoom out a fraction, might see me more on the camera anyway. Yeah, you can. Just cleaning around it as I go. And right, and it goes on there nicely on. Whoop. I keep forgetting. There we go. Goes on there nicely. That does. So that's good. As you can see, goes on nicely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the others now and come back. A bit like Ron does. Here we go. This is just a short update. I've actually cleaned all these bits up here. I've actually done a bit of cleaning up there, and also they're both glued together now. I'm going to leave them overnight, and then I'll be starting on cleaning up these bits. These bits have actually been cleaned up as well, so I can put them in there as well. So they've been done. That's been cleaned up, and so we're back to doing the other bits that I can do now. But what I'm going to do is build as much as I can to show you after I've done that, to get ready for spraying, and that's what I'm going to do. So the next time you see this little clip here, it'll be actually, these will be more or less done, apart from the propellers and that, or the propellers basically for pushing the torpedo through the water, because they are going to be grass colour. So anyway, so I'm going to go off now and go and watch TV downstairs. So I'll catch you later on the next little short segment for this video.